Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Richard, founder of Short-Term Rental University and Airbnb Superhost. Today I'm coming to you live from Norfolk, Virginia. So today's video is going to be about why do people come to visit your hometown, your city, or wherever your place is located. And that's really critical. I'm coming to you live from the waterside restaurants and things like that, and it's a really nice perk if you're visiting Norfolk. But nobody's coming to Norfolk to visit this because you could go to the South Street Seaport, and Baltimore has similar waterfront. So this isn't the end destination. According to Charles, who grew up in the area, people come here for a couple of reasons. One is, the military and business and stuff like that. Two is colleges and universities. And then three, while they're here, once they've done their business or they've done their military obligations, seen their kids graduate or whatever, they may go out to dinner. And it's a nice to have being close to waterside and the restaurants in this water park and the, whatever activities happen here. But this is not the destination. So the point is, when you're highlighting in your description and especially in your header, know who's coming and why they're coming and explain to them why it's a great place to stay for those reasons. And then, and as a side benefit, you're only a mile away from Waterside, a great place for dining. But don't mistake it and highlight only Waterside because you're not speaking to your audience. So obviously there are weddings and events that happen here at Waterside, and that might draw the occasional person to Norfolk who wouldn't come normally just for that event. But that is not a sustainable, repeatable business practice. You own a home here, or you're buying a home, or you're interested in investing here, and the reason you should do so is for the sustainable, repeatable industries that aren't going anywhere, the Navy, the universities, the college towns, the business that's here, not the marina that's nice to walk around in the evening. So the point is, know who you're talking to, speak to them directly, speak their language. You'll get a lot more interest and a lot more bookings and a lot more conversions than if you talk about the micro city location that you are. Mention it, it's a nice to have, but hit them where it hurts, tell them what they want to know, tell them why you're here, tell them why they should stay with you, and it has in this town to do with the Navy, colleges, universities, and industrial manufacturing, I suppose. Anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Tell us why people visit your city and how do you describe it? I'd really appreciate that. And I gotta just say, I just landed, I'm on my way to kite surfing camp. It is hot and humid and I'm ill-equipped, I'm dressed inappropriately, but I'm still making videos, hoping that you find this helpful. Please like it and subscribe to the channel. Charles, I need a water. Or maybe take a swim.